Microsoft Excel is a registered trademark of Microsoft Office products, and I am in no way, shape, or form affiliated with Microsoft Office or Microsoft. Okay, next we want to work on something called VLookup, and VLookup just basically means it's a vertical lookup. In other words, it's going to look up a number from another row or column up from wherever you're putting that actual value. So if I want to actually look something up, this is the base. This is the formula you would want to use in your formula bar. VLookup parentheses 1, the area, the range from A2 to C10, and 2. The difference between VLookup and HLookup is that VLookup looks for things vertically within your table, and HLookup looks for things horizontally within your table.